Welcome back, guys. We are just 3 weeks out from Easter. I am super excited. Here I have this large, beautiful white basket with that amazing wooden handle. Let's just jump right in. Here is the black and white ribbon I will be using throughout the video to tie up the basket. Now I'm only going to do the first layer. I would like the rest of it to be somewhat open and clear so you can see the contents in it. Let's go ahead and put the remaining ribbon on the side. We're going to use it later. Now, once you're finished threading the ribbon through the top layer, you want to loosely tie the knot because we're going to go around and make it very neat. Once it is neat to your satisfaction, you can then put it in a knot and make sure it is lined up directly across from the wooden part of the handle. Now we're finishing up the bow, and then we're going to move on to a really fun part. Can't wait to get into it. We have some colorful paper flowers. Look at these colors. So of course we're going to use our double-sided adhesive tabs just to stick a few around the ribbon. Let's go ahead and finish it up. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, so part one is complete. Let's get into the really fun stuff. Here I have this amazing glass water bottle. Now, quickly, drop in the comments, can you guess what specialized Easter basket I am making? We all know it's an Easter basket, but exactly what kind? Let me know. Let's see how good you are. Here I'm stuffing a few chocolates. These are Kisses, as well as some Milky Way chocolates. Now we have this black and turquoise transplanter, and we're going to wrap this in some Easter tissue paper. Just adding a little extra cuteness by curling the ribbons on the end. Now let's place it on the side, followed by a little purse. Now this purse can be awesome for gardening, and you want to carry around your cell phone or even a little wallet. So we're going to go ahead and put a ribbon around this as well. Tie that up, and there you go. Place it on the side. Now we have these amazing seed starter pots, and they come in a set of 10. So we're going to package this up and put it on the side as well. This gift is going to be so fun because it's filled with so many amazing items. Once again, guys, I do apologize for my voice. It is very scratchy. I'm coming over a cold. But here we have some metal garden hooks that I'm wrapping up, followed by some seeds. Now here we have lavender. We also have basil, thyme, etc. So we're going to just quickly throw these in a beautiful Easter bag, followed by these as well. Here we have some plant clips. Now this basket is going to be so fun because it's filled with a lot of accessories for the garden. You will be able to be in your garden for days and weeks on end. So here we have some fertilizer spikes, as well as this tool little setup kit. And we're going to wrap them in some Easter tissue and move on to part 3. Now, I know what you're thinking. You cannot garden in flip-flops. Those flip-flops go nicely with all the accessories, and therefore when you come inside, you could take off those hot socks and boots and you can relax. Now remember, in my previous video I showed you this egg and didn't have a clue what I was going to do with it. Well, guess what, guys? I figured it out. Look what goes perfectly in this egg. Ta-da! Our favorite Rocher chocolates. This egg is gorgeous, guys. The size again is perfect. So now we're going to put it in this beautiful basket. So now I'm going to quickly just remove the excess decorative shredding from the egg, and we're going to set it aside. Now, this is one of the final pieces. Guess what I'm going to do with it? Where in the basket is it going to fit, you ask? I don't have a clue. Well, that's good because we're not putting it inside the basket. It's going to go on the outside as a sitting tray for the Easter basket. Watch and let's go. This planter trolley is the perfect size for this basket. Look how neat that looks sitting in there. Now we also have something else to add to it, so stay tuned. Now our basket is getting a little bit more interesting. We have a bag that we're going to put around the wire basket. Now this bag also has a beautiful message on it that says life is a beautiful ride, isn't it? So we're going to place it on the outskirts of this basket, but we're going to set it aside for now. Again, there's the message. I love it. So what we're gonna do is add some cushion to the basket before we add our items and our treats and goodies and things like that. Ultimately, we want the yellow shredding on top because it matches our beautiful flower stickers. Now, we're gonna start putting everything in there and getting it nice and organized, so let's get it done. So here is our transplanter, one of the first things we wrapped up. Now look at this popcorn. Have you ever seen cake batter drizzled popcorn? My family tried it and it is delicious, let me tell you. So quickly we're going to add all the other items we wrapped up and bagged and just keep on adding items. Here are our garden gloves. Of course, I love these because they are decorative, they are bright, they are pretty, perfect for the garden. And there's our special egg. And we also have a Happy Easter carrot too, which are chocolate covered lentils. Now don't forget our flip-flops. Okay, we're just about got the items inside. Grab that beautiful bag again. Now what I love about this Easter basket is that this will allow a message on the back of it, which I love. So there's the bag, and let's all try to fit it inside of this Easter cellophane bag. Now, even though this bag is huge, it's still not enough to cover it. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to add a second bag to make it look like it's actually one bag altogether. And of course, we added our beautiful water bottle that we almost forgot. What I did was stuff the second cellophane bag all the way at the back and stuff it all the way down to the bottom until you get enough of the excess bag at the top to your desired length. Tie it off with the ribbon and you would never know there's an additional bag up the top to give it more volume. Now we're just going to quickly get our heat gun and make this all tight so it's sturdy and nothing falls out of place. Now we can add some last minute flower stickers to give it that finishing touch, and here is our beautiful gardening Easter basket. Happy Easter all!